So Python for marketing, specifically for SEOs. So let's talk about the data that we have as SEOs. SEO data, as far as I'm concerned, is not very, there's not loads and loads of it, but it's very, very deep data, right? If you look at link profile analysis, it is incredibly deep data. And what that does in Excel is it basically kills it, it destroys it, because there's so much data that it slows down Excel. Maybe you've got more data than Excel allows you to pull in. So this is where Python can help us initially, right? This is not like the end game. Initially, Python can help you do your job faster. You can ingest massive data files, millions of rows in a couple of seconds using a Python Jupyter notebook. And then once you've got that huge data set, if it has like a matching key to another data set, so for example, if you use a crawler and you crawl a website and you have all the URLs and then you get your Google Search Console data and you just bind that data set together on the URL, then you've got this massive data set of which you can perform analysis on. And that will definitely 100%, I mean, I do it definitely 100% leads to you finding new things and being able to automate the tasks that need done, or at least automate spitting out a spreadsheet, ironically, for you, for your team or your clients, of what needs done. So you can use little helper functions. You can build little helper functions that are like kind of if this, then that. And that gives you a little output of like, check out these pages because they're underperforming, and they're underperforming based on the information from Screaming Frog, from Google Search Console, from Google Analytics, or Majestic Link data, whatever data set that you want to apply to it. You can build very large complex database data sets using Python that then you can use little helper functions to run analysis and spit out essentially the things to do. So it can definitely improve your workflow. Start that again. It can definitely improve your workflow right now, but moving forward, you'll be able to use machine learning to find problems in websites and automate essentially handing off tasks to other members of the team based on who it is that actually implements it. So if it needs to be a technical fix, then you can automatically hand off a broken set of pages, or broken pages or missing H1 tags on a website over to the development team. But if it's content based and you need to hand it off to the content team, then you can automate to send things over to the content team to get them to fix it. So it will make you more agile and increase the speed of which things are done, which will improve your results. So right now, as an SEO, this is how Python will help you. It will make your job easier, you'll find more insights, and you'll get things done faster, which will return in results and hopefully love and praise from people in your team and your boss. So that is why, as an SEO, you should learn Python.